Hello everybody, bass breakdown. We're gonna do a series scales, and I'm gonna show you in each video one position of the scale, and I'm gonna include the image in the screen so you can practice along. Minor pentatonic, first one to start with, probably also the most used one, and first position, very easy, root on A. We're gonna start with the root on A. So 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1. So, and that's it. And you can already play a lot of songs using this one. I'm gonna give you a spoiler for Kenny Rogers, Ruby, Don't Take Your Guns to Town. So what he's doing, and it's all in this position, adding flavor, of course, but it's all in there. It's all in there. So have fun with this one up until position 2.